Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, we'll show you how to efficiently complete a put-away task from start to finish. As a warehouse worker, you'll either receive a put-away task or create a new one from the receipt detail. Open the put-away task list and select the task you want to work on. This will take you to the task homepage. Then the user may start the put-away process. Before starting, make sure you're on the work page. Then enter or scan the location where the items need to be put away. Scan all the pallets that need to be put away in that location. Next, press the Submit button. You can review the progress of the task at any time using the summary tabs below. Repeat the process until all the pallets have been put away. Then press Close Step to close the step. Finally, go back to the task homepage and close the task. The put-away task is now complete. Congratulations and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.